What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Toyota bZ4X. Hopefully I said that right. We are getting maintenance required soon on the dash. This is how you reset that, okay? We're gonna use the buttons here on the steering wheel. Here's your menu button. We're gonna scroll down until we get to the gear symbol here. And we are gonna scroll over until we get to detail settings here, okay? And we're gonna press and hold OK. And then right here where it says schedule maintenance, I'm gonna push OK. I actually wanna reset the data, and you're gonna hit yes. It takes a minute before I'll go through. And reset complete. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate it if you like and subscribe.